A CSV file is the most primary file type to display tabular data. It is a text file having every two consecutive elements separated by a comma. It is a simple file but not widely compatible. So, you must convert it into a widely compatible file type such as PDF. To simplify the process, we bring you the most effective solution, DRS CSV to PDF converter tool. This application helps you change all your CSV files to PDF file format in no time. The exceptional utility provides you with numerous exclusive features. You can add a single CSV as well as an entire folder containing multiple CSV files. The tool gives you two distinct saving options, vCard and PDF. After adding CSV files, you can manually map them with different vCard fields. Creating a single vCard for all CSV files and saving as blank contacts options are also available. When selecting PDF, you can enable the user password and owner password to the resultant file. Along with all these features, the tool has an easy-to-navigate user interface. Before converting CSV to PDF file format, you must meet some necessary conditions. After installing, run the application as administrator for the proper functioning of the tool. You must have good internet connectivity to download the necessary files. Disable antivirus and Windows Firewall because they block tool operation. Here we show you how to use the application to convert your CSV files to PDF file format. First, visit the official website of the DRS Softtech and download the DRS CSV to PDF converter tool. Install the application and run it as administrator. After launching the tool, there are two different modes for adding CSV files, Add Single CSV File and Add Folder. The Add Single CSV File option is suitable when you want to change a single file. But, if you have a complete folder containing CSV files, opt for the Add Folder option. For demonstration, we are selecting the Add Single CSV File option. Click on the Browse button and locate the desired CSV file from the File Explorer. After that, select the file and click on the Open button to add the file. As you add the file, you will see a preview of the data available in the selected item. Now, in the Save options, you have vCard and PDF as the output file format. You can choose any one as per your preference. Here, we are selecting the PDF option. Then click on the Next button to proceed further. In the next step, you can secure the file by enabling password protection. Tick the User Password and Owner Password option and enter the required passwords. Next, select the orientation of the output PDF file. The two orientations available are Portrait and Landscape. After that, define a suitable destination for the log files. The log files store the history of the process. Click on the Destination button to give any specific saving location. By default, it is set to desktop. At last, click on the Convert button to start converting the CSV file to PDF file format. As per your command, the tool initiates the conversion process. The time taken by the process depends upon the size of the selected file. After finishing the process, you will see the conversion report. You can also download the report in CSV file format by pressing the Download Report button. If you want to convert the CSV file into vCard, press the Convert Again button. These are the instructions to use the CSV to PDF converter. You can successfully convert your CSV file to PDF file format by performing them. Visit our website to download the software. If you have any queries related to the product, please contact us at the mentioned emails. Thanks for watching the video.